Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Impala is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2013 up to 2016. The fuse you want to check is located in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot behind this cover. To remove the cover, just gently pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the heated seats fuse is a 20 amp fuse located right here. And hopefully just by replacing the fuse this will fix your problem. If the fuse proves to be good, then I would start looking into the heated seats switch and the wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.